Hey, what's up guys? Matt with Outdoor Texas. We're in the truck today. We're going to be installing a dash mounted gear track. This is from Fast Track, I believe is the name. I'm going to link them down below if you guys want to check these out. But basically it's this guy right here, and it's going to sit in this tray and gives you a flush mount to attach T-slots, or you can just screw ram mount straight into it. I'm a fan of the ram mount, so I'll be using the little 1-inch ball to mount the holders, and I'll be using my tablet, my phone, and maybe a radio mount on the other side. We'll see how it looks, but it's got double-sided tape, 3M with VHB tape, which in most instances that's probably enough. But I'm in Texas, and our summers get pretty hot, and with my dash just being fully exposed to the sun, I'm really thinking once I have weight hanging off the front of this guy, the heat's gonna soften that adhesive, and I feel like it's gonna come off. So we're gonna take this dash out, and we're gonna run some bolts and washers and nuts on the underside and permanently attach it in there. So let's do that. It's an 05 F150. So it should be, this bezel should pop right out, and there should be a center screw right in the middle of this tray, and that tray will come out, and then we can take it and drill it and get everything mounted. So let's get started. All right, so got one of these little plastic spudge tools, and it should be a matter of, let's see, I think the clips are along the sides. They're fragile, I don't want to break them. Try to pop this out. Carefully, carefully. Let's see. There we go. There's those two. There we go. Good, nothing broke, so it's good. We'll pop these out. I'm not gonna disengage all the HVAC controls or anything, because I can just slide this right down. We got two bolts here at the top. Let's see. Got some sockets here. It's a 7 mil. Socket. Goes right out. Okay. Straight pops out. So, as you can see, plenty of room underneath. So we'll take this inside and mark some holes, and we'll drill it out and get this thing mounted. So let's go inside. All right, so we got the VHB tape is on the underside. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on there, and we'll stick it and then mount it also. This will just kind of act as a little bit of a cushion and a little more adhesion. But I can't mark the holes, so I have to drill holes through it first. But we're just gonna set it in there and drill. I've got a 5/32 bit, and this sits in there pretty snug. There's not a lot of wiggle room, so I'm just gonna kind of set it in here. We'll drill a couple of holes, put a nut with a screw with a washer. This is what I'm going to be using, and these come with the kit. All this hardware is included. So we'll drill a hole, mount one to hold it in place, and then we'll drill the others. So let's get started. So we'll get the first one here. Just like that. And the second one will go here. Let's make sure it's finished. Let's go ahead and put it moves just a tiny bit, so let's go ahead and put one in. Just to hold it. Of course, my fingers are a little too big to fit in there. Hold it. Some pliers. You got it through the hole. We'll set it on there. Just do it all together. Out a little bit. You know what? Let's make sure it's even. Could go a little bit bigger. Let's go up the size and little bit here. Too big. We'll go to a 3/16 bit. Still gonna fit. It's just fine. Let's make this. Now. There we go. Through washer. And that to hold it. Okay. Let's drill the other ones. Be careful not to drill into my seat. Drop the camera. Get you guys mounted. We're on the seat here on this little tripod, so it's not most stable. Let's make sure we can still see what we're doing here. Push it through that foam VHB tape. If this wasn't going to be sitting in direct sun, I would just use the VHB tape. That stuff is super strong. But high heat tends to soften the glue that holds those together. So, okay, let's do 2 more. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other bolts and washers, nuts put on, get them all tightened up, and then we'll pick up and put this back in the truck. All right, got it all mounted up. See the other side. Got these large washers, 4 bolts and lock nuts. And there she is. Sets flush. And that should support the weight of the tablet, phone, radios, whatever else I need to stick on there. So let's see, we'll set her back on. Got the 2 clips on the sides. Line those up, pop them down, and then we'll just put the screws back in. These guys right here. whole lot easier than I was anticipating. But yeah, that's on there good. And then this guy, we'll just snap back in. Just get everything lined up. So you got your clips here on the bottom. Let's push those in and then line these up here. Nice. There she is. Okay, now let's see. I have, this is a ram mount with a little T-nut. We can have the sun here on the bottom. It's threaded, and you just kind of twist it on there. So let me put you guys down for a minute. Let's see, get you where we can see what's happening. How's that? Okay. So this, twist it down. And that will hold. We're going to be using a ram mount X-grip tablet mount, and it's got the 1-inch ball here on the back. And this is really cool. You clamp these together and it expands, so it's going to sit like that actually. So you set your tablet in there and then you close it. Super cool. And I'm probably going to use this short attachment wall. I think that's going to put it where I want it. So let's stick this on there. And the cool thing about these ram mounts is that because it's on a ball, you've got full movement. You know, you can put this thing wherever you want it. And I think I want this just over the stereo. Right there. Tighten it up. Okay. Let's grab the tablet and we'll test fit it. Here's my tablet. This is a Lenovo M10 10-inch tablet. I did a Instagram reel talking about this when I got it. If you don't follow my Instagram, it's Outdoor Texas. Don't look at my pen. Alright, so set it on, open the top, and lock it in. And there we go. So I can run Gaia. Oh. Okay, so you gotta be careful with your tablets that you're not pushing any of the buttons up on the top. That's what happened there. Okay. If you hold down the volume buttons, sometimes it enables a factory reset mode. But anyhow, got it set in there nice. And there we go. There's Gaia. So I've still got a view of the stereo. I've got Gaia, got my tablet mounted where I can see it nice and firm. It's mounted strong. These mounts are gonna hold. I've got room here if I want to put another mount, bring another extension out. I've got a bunch of these ram mounts, but I've got this longer one, so I can attach that one and bring it out here, you know, to hold my phone or something. We'll figure that out later, but I may do a phone on one side, maybe hang my radio on the other side. I don't know. There you go. I'm gonna link this down below. The tablet, the ram mounts, the track, everything. Got all this stuff on Amazon, so use those links. I do get a small cut of any purchases made on that. That helps support the channel and the website. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, of course, drop them down below. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Outdoor TXS. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Peace.